Okay guys, I just got that piece in, that splitter, and you can see now I got reverse lights as well. It sure makes it a lot simpler to do too. Didn't have to cut anything in the truck. And now you can see my trailer wires they work fine. If anybody wants to put one of these on a newer F-150, I highly recommend this part right here. Got it from eTrailer for like 20 bucks. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera to focus. You can see part number. See, what you do is you unplug the 7-way connector on the back with the factory wires, and you plug in this harness and it splits it and gives you a 4-way in case you know, it's for trucks, I guess, you don't have a 4-way connector. So put that in there, and then I just spliced into the one wire in the 7-way. The center is reverse, so I used a T-tap and got it spliced in there on this wiring, so the factory wires are untouched. That's the way Dad wanted it, and that's the way he got it. Now when he hooks his trailer up, he doesn't have to screw around with a Y harness or nothing. Quite an easy, you know, I think the longest it took was me just dielectric and zip tying the wire and harness nice and neat up in there. They give you a lot of wire because, you know, figuring you need it for towing, but so I zip tied it up onto the chassis. I was going to start a film before to show you, but my friend Bob stopped in. So, alright, I'll talk to you guys later.